If you're looking to get into the world of soldering, then this station is the right one for you. In today's video, I'm going to be going over this T3A smart soldering station. In many ways, in almost every way, it's identical to the other T3A that I've demoed before, except for the main difference is this stand right here. This is where you can deposit the soldering iron, and I'll get a little bit into the details about the pros and cons of this versus the other soldering holder. Comes with a power cord, the soldering iron itself, grounding cables, and the iron tips so that you can change depending on the job that you're doing. And here we can see our manual. It goes over all of the different features and the station itself. So the first thing that I'm going to do is let's just connect this grounding cable here. And then we can connect off to the side this grounding cable to ground the actual device to a grounding surface. We'll take out our soldering iron here. You can see it's noticeably different from the slightly more expensive T3A soldering station, but it also feels pretty nice in the hand. We'll take out an insert. One of the tips. Stow that away and plug in the soldering iron, tightening it down. So here you can see we've got a pencil tip, the curved version of the pencil tip, and a chisel tip as well. And these are easily replaceable if you ever wear them out. Now, if you're gonna get this, I would recommend replacing the sponge with one of these. This is basically a spiraling brass sponge that will allow you to wick off the soldering iron tip, cleaning off the oxidation and solder, giving you a nice fresh tip and prolonging the life of the tip. Alright, we'll go ahead and turn it on, and you can see that right now it's sleeping, but when I pick it up, it's going to automatically start to heat up. So it does have the sleep-wake function, and I can alternate between the different channels wherever I set it to. And I can change the temperature set by twisting this dial, and I can lock in the three settings here using these buttons. The main difference is the ability to do a quick change . There is no easy way to do a quick tip change. You're gonna have to turn it off, let it cool down, pull the tip out, and insert another one in order to change the tip. Where the model of the T3A that is more expensive uses a quick exchange tip base here that has the pre-installed mesh that's a better setup than this, as you'll see in that video that'll link right here. And I want to show you a practical use for this, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I clean up the border here so that I can reball it and put it back together using a combination between this double-sided mid-frame reballing platform, which I'll link a video to this right here, and also this desoldering station for the iPhone 10 through the 14 Pro Max, which I'll leave a link to right here.
Everything that you did, that you said, I don't think you understand.
And take some flux
and my heart's black and blue from the bruising.
And pipe it out
I'm losing. I feel like
around the border here.
Sitting there gaslighting and confusing.
And now I'm gonna get my wick here. This is 1.5 millimeter good wick.
Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you. It's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid.
We'll carefully go over and remove any of the old solder.
I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string.
And there we go. Nice, clean, ready for a reball. I was pleasantly surprised with the usefulness of the soldering station, still having this sleep-wake function and everything. It's definitely the option if you're looking into getting into micro soldering, as it's an inexpensive yet high quality solder station, and it'll give you everything that you need. There will be a link in the description where you can get it. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.